Okay, today I'm doing a tour of our room at the Grand Bahia Principe Aquamarine. And this is the Junior Superior Suite Poolside, I believe. I will make sure that I write that correctly. I'm gonna start in the hallway. Okay, so when you first walk in, over here we have our safe, which we have all of our like important stuff in. And there's like a bunch of shelves that we don't really have anything on, but they're there. And it has a little closet door. And then in here, I have a couple things hanging, but there is an extra blanket, an iron and an ironing board, an umbrella in case it rains, and hangers, which I have hung stuff on. And then this is if you want to do laundry. We are not going to do laundry because we're only here for a week, but you could if you wanted to. And that closes. And then if you go this way is the bathroom. So in here is the shower. And it's actually a really nice shower. It has the rainfall, and then this guy like comes off. Oops, we just had a shower, so it's still kind of wet in here. It's decent size and works good. So that's the shower. And then this is like the toilet, which also has a door. And then there's two sinks. So a sink, a blow dryer, like crazy magnifying mirror, and then another sink. And then it comes with all of this conditioner, shampoo, shower gel, dental kit, all that kind of stuff. And then it has the jacuzzi, which we did try out once. It took a really long time to fill, but it was really nice. The jets worked really nice, and it was nice to have a jacuzzi. It did take a really long time to fill up though, and we didn't try that little thing. And then you can open this curtain from the outside if you wanted to like sit in the jacuzzi but watch the TV. And then that's where they keep all the towels. We just had showers, so the towels are like hanging up and stuff. And then if you come out here, this is just like a little, we're just using it for storage. And then there's a big like full-size mirror. And then this is like the curtains to the bathroom, which we usually just keep those closed. And air conditioning, phone, notepad, lights with like the light switches are right there. And then this is the big king size bed. Boom. It's a little messy right now, but yeah, so this is the big bed, and it has a like frame and like the curtain thingy around it. And then there's a coffee pot with our coffee mugs and our coffee stuff, and they usually just leave coffee right there. And this is like water cups. And then down here is the mini bar, or the fridge. And this is kind of what typically comes in it, but you can leave the money and get more things. Oops. Close that up. And then there's a nice big mirror, TV. If you wanted to put all your stuff in the drawers, you could. And then this side has plug-in and lights, and more lights there. And then there's a couch, which we're just kind of using as storage. A little table, chair, and then like a little vanity. And a lamp that we've never turned on. balcony. Best part.
Hey peeps.
These chairs are not super comfortable, but it's nice to sit out here still.
Never sat on the couch.
No. We're kind of using the couch as a storage area more than anything. So that was the tour of the room. We really like that it's on the ground level because this is our view. And you don't have to walk up any stairs. Thanks for watching.